This is a new machine for iPhone back cover glass separation. It is designed for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone 10. Because we all know that the back cover glass, it is very hard for you to separate once it is cracked. So this is a new design. And this machine, it will need to connect with one air compressor. You will see that the clear hose, it is for air compressor. And also the pressure can be adjusted based on the different model. And this machine, it will have three modes. One for 8, one for 8 Plus, and one for 10. Okay. And the operation, it is very easy. So you will see the first button, it is for the temperature button. And the second one, the green one, it is for the power. The third one, it is for temperature. And now you can see it up to 230. And the fourth one, it is for time. The time usually just like 5 seconds is okay. And the big red one is emergency. Okay. And it is better to put the cracked back cover glass on the panel to heat up first. Yeah, this glass, it is for iPhone 8. Okay, we will show you how this machine works. Okay, and click the green button. Yeah, the time it is counting for the heating. Yeah. So usually if the back cover glass, it is not that deeply cracked, it will be easier for you to separate. But if it is very cracked, very deeply, maybe while your separation, it will give you some difficulty. But later we will show you how to solve all the problems. Oh, okay. So you will see that this glass, it is very deeply cracked. In this way, if it cannot bounce up for the entire piece, then you can use the small blade and the other tools to help you to take out the other pieces. It is very cracked. But if it is like an entire piece, it will be easier for you to separate. Okay. Anyway, in this way, it will help you to make the back cover glass separation more easier. Otherwise, the so hard glue, it is really hard for you to separate. and then we'll take it out. On the top it has the camera. Okay, it's done.